What is the purpose of a dart in garments? A. To adjust length. B. To shape fabric to fit curves. C. To add texture. D. To create decorative patterns. What is a yoke in garment design? A. Type of sleeve. B. An embellishment technique. C. A panel added for structural support. D. A type of hemline. Which fabric shrinkage test is conducted after garment production? A. Dimensional stability test. B. Pilling resistance test. C. Color fastness test. D. Tensile strength test. What does the term haute couture mean? A. Ready-to-wear clothing. B. Handmade luxury fashion. C. Mass-produced garments. D. Casual wear. What is athleisure? A. Type of sports team. B. A blend of athletic and leisure clothing. C. A luxury fashion style. D. A casual footwear trend. Which fashion designer is associated with the little black dress? A. Coco Chanel. B. Giorgio Armani. C. Yves Saint Laurent. D. Karl Lagerfeld. What is the Pantone color of the year for 2024? A. Viva Magenta. B. Classic Blue. C. Radiant Orchid. D. Digital Lavender. What does the term boho refer to in fashion? A. Business casual. B. Bohemian-inspired style. C. Sportswear. D. Evening wear. Which fashion trend is associated with the 1980s? A. Puffed sleeves. B. Corsets. C. Plaid skirts. D. Minimalism.
Now it's your turn. Answer these bonus questions in the comments section and you could win an exciting prize. Winners will be announced 30 days from today, so make sure to participate. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quizzes and your chance to win.